Hi! Did you know that you can create a custom logo for your business directly from your SimplyBook.me account using Fiverr Logo Maker? Let's take a quick look at how you can do this in a few easy steps. You can start by clicking Customize Design on the Welcome page. You can also reach this page by navigating to Settings, Themes and Colors. Let's press Click to create logo to begin. Please sign in and click Make your own logo. On the first step, you will be asked to fill out your brand name and slogan. Next, you can choose your industry and add optional elements. On the third step, you can adjust the sliders to define the style that best suits your brand. Voila! You are presented with an array of unique logos based on the information you have provided. You can adjust the brand name and slogan on top and look at variations of a given logo by hovering over them. Click on a design to view some mock-ups that will incorporate it. If you would like to adjust anything, please click Customize this design. Once you're happy with the design, you can click Buy and Download to choose your logo package. Back on the design settings of your SimplyBook.me account, please click on the logo image placeholder, upload your image and save changes. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.